For this problem, we're going to solve the system of equations by elimination. All right, good fact to remember is that to eliminate one variable, we want for the coefficients of either x or y to be opposite of each other. So let's analyze what's going on over here in this system. If I look at the coefficients, and coefficients are the numbers in front of the variables. If I look at the coefficients of y, they are not opposite of each other. However, if we look at the coefficients of x, we see that 6 and negative 6 are opposite of each other. So we're going to eliminate these two when we add this system of equation. So let's add these. And let's see what happens. All right, 6x minus 6x is 0. So those two cancel out. 9y minus 16y. This is like having $9 in your bank account and spending $16. So now you owe your bank $7. So that gives us 7y. And then we got negative 7 minus 14. This is like owing $7 already and spending 14 more. So now you owe $21 to your bank. The goal now is to solve for the remaining variable. In this case, we're solving for y. So let's get rid of this negative 7 in front of y. Remember that numbers that are right in front of the variable are multiplying the variable. So negative 7 is multiplying y. In order to get rid of it, we must perform the opposite operation, which is division. So let's divide both sides by negative 7. Negative 7 over negative 7, that's just 1. So we have y here. And negative 21 divided by negative 7 gives us positive 3. Don't forget that a negative divided by a negative gives us a positive. All right, so now we know what y is. Now that we know what y is, we're going to bring it back to either of these two original equations and substitute 3 for y to find out what x is. I'm going to work with the first one. So I have 6x plus 9y equals negative 7. I'm going to substitute 3 for y to find the value of x. So we have 6x plus 9 times 3 equals negative 7. 6x plus 9 times 3 is 27. That equals negative 7. We're going to subtract 27 on both sides. So 6x equals negative 7 minus 27. That will give us negative 34. We divide that by 6. This cancels out. So we have x equals, well, let's reduce this fraction and see what we get. So 6 goes into 35 times. And we have 4 remaining. By reducing this, we get negative 5 2/3. So the solution for this system should be represented as an ordered pair. So we get negative 5 2/3 and 3 for y. Here we go. We're done.